There is Medellin park here. It got transformed right there. It has
Yeah, the American people, okay, have fun.
I hope I have a better day today than last couple of days. But I'm still gonna fight. This is Cartagena. Yeah, this is good. What happened? He offered me to do this for 20 pesos. Don't ever go with this tour company because they are rude. Good morning from Cartagena. I had a bad day yesterday, but I'm gonna make it the best. I lost my cell phone. I'm leaving now. I'm going to Medellin right now. I have a flight at 10 o'clock. Didn't do much in Cartagena. See you from Medellin. I'm going to the airport. So look at this beautiful Caribbean right next to. There's a fort, big fort around here. A lot of birds are there, I see. It is beautiful. It's right next to the ocean. Cartagena airport. I am going to Medellin from here. My flight is at 10 o'clock. It's good. They're just smart. Cartagena airport. I am departing from here to Medellin, getting the boarding pass from here. There's a flight at 10:02. Waiting on going inside it. Flying at 10:02. I think it's gonna be late. We are waiting for the flight to leave. I was taking long, very almost 10 o'clock. 10:02 is the flight time. So I guess it's Colombian time. That's why they. This is the Cartagena airport. You have to go park out here. This is every anchor. That's the one we're taking. I don't know. Hopefully I get back for my phone. There you go. I'm going to the what? Yes. Nancy.
Ay, qué pecado, mi sorry.
Our way to Medellin. This is just smart. I'm checking. We're supposed to leave at 10:02. Right now it's 10:42. So it was 30 minutes late. Not bad.
Please remain seated until the plane comes to a complete stop.
This is Medellin. It's arrived here. We just took this flight to get here. And I'm gonna take taxi to my hostel first and then I got on. This is Medellin airport. We just took a taxi from here, via hostel. It's far away from here. It's 16 kilometers, but it's expensive also. It is about $32 taxi ride from here to Medellin in center. This is the airport. Tunnel. This looks like a long tunnel. He said it's 9-kilometer tunnel. That is a huge one. I think that might be the largest in the world. Right there it is in Medellin. Wow. That is in the valley. That is completely different. Medellin, I am staying in this hotel. This is VAL hostel. This is Manila hotel. There, it says 2 blocks. There is a Mamacita restaurant. Let me see. Medellin is mountain area, so you have to have good physics to walk around here because it is on the mountain. Look at it. This is the Viero hostel there. That's their restaurant. That's where the lobby is. Medellin, Salento, Davarta, Cali, Cartagena. Waffle ball I just ordered. It looks beautiful. It's vegetarian, this one. So I'll see how good is this. This is the street in front of my hotel. So I'm going to take a city tour today and then in the morning I'm going to Guatape. There is some church over there. There is the sculpture, you can say. There's something here, Casa Tragus. I'm in center Medellin. I'm just walking myself to see around here. There's a park here. Salon Poblado. This is called the park. There's a park next to Poblado. Beautiful park here. It's in Medellin. I wish I had a guide, but I don't have the guide because she did not show up. I'm going through the park to somewhere. Let me see where it is. Colombia is a lot of this graffiti. I don't know what is this. Even Zapata, what the something here. Maria Las Dolores here. There's another park over there. And I'm gonna go towards this. It is mountain city, so you have to walk up, down. And the menu. They're doing this while people on the red light. There you go.
Muchas gracias.
There's a park here. There. Oh, there's Medellin. There you go. Many things over here. What's going on, my friend?
Hello.
Habla English? This is the I'm at Medellin. Here, this is the kind of center. I'm sure it's the best. There you go. That's the Medellin right there. Let me go. Can you just hold like this? Yeah, just like this. Just hold it, okay? All right, I'm Medellin. It's right here. It's in the park. It looks beautiful. People come here and take the pictures and stuff. So he's saying, aquí todo flores. Medellin got transformed and got the vibe. Thank you so much. I am right here in the Medellin, right there. Look at it. Start from here. I was talking to that guy and he gone. I wanted to see the real Medellin. So he said, go to the Prado.
Go to the Prado.
Yeah, but I'm here. I have to be there. I have to have a tour guide to go there. Otherwise, I will get killed. Is it true? A little bit. Can I go myself and check somebody?
Bro, no, it's real.
It's not real?
No.
So no go.
No, it's good.
Don't go.
No.
You sure?
Yeah, bro, no.
But he said he can find a tour guy who will take me there.
No problem.
That's what he said. But now, aquí problem there.
Problem. What did you question me? What did you question?
My question: if I want to go to
5-1.
Prado.
Centro, Prado. It's the car down. I living in Prado, Centro. It's danger.
That's what he said. Yeah. Is it danger?
Prado is danger for you. Lonely, no.
Okay, so
with Colombian people, with me or other people, yes.
That's what he said.
Lonely, no, bro.
No.
It's danger.
I lost iPhone yesterday already.
Wow.
In Cartagena.
Yes.
Yes.
You lost your phone.
iPhone, yeah.
The guys.
Right. That doesn't mean I stop. I quit.
Yes.
I want to see. So do you know anybody who can go with me?
Okay. I got you.
The tour guide.
Tomorrow.
No, now. Aquí.
Now.
Yeah.
My job is until 7 p.m.
Until 7 p.m.
7 p.m. Next 7 p.m. I have free time. Free.
So you're not gonna take my money?
No more, no problem. Bro, I don't like you more. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So yeah, I'll come back 7 p.m. Yeah.
My name is David, bro. David, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. All right. He keep doing it. He said he's gonna do a good job.
Huh?
I'm just saying myself here.
Yeah.
You're looking great. He's doing a good job. It was like this. He got it this. He's showing me that because he likes this small camera.
Para el mundo.
Yeah.
Mejor chica de Colombia.
Go ahead and tell more.
¿Cómo te llamas?
My name is Reza.
Reza.
Yeah.
Marilyn.
Okay, that's what in Spanish say coche shoe shiner. Yeah, that's what he did. Something happened. He's from Venezuela. You're looking good. A 20,000 pesos.
El pote aparte. El pote.
$5 is good. He's taking my time. I have to walk. He was not shoe shiner. That's what he calls shoe shine. He's shining my shoe.
Maracucho venezolano. El mejor zapatero. Baby. Hablando aquí con mi amigo.
Yeah, Reza.
Fresa.
Reza. Yeah.
El Parque Llera, Medellín, viene de los Estados Unidos.
There you go, the Medellin. Bolivia, and look at it, they're coming now. There you go. Everybody is watching this game.
De nuestra República de Colombia.
Look at everybody in Medellin is here to watch football game, Colombia and Bolivia. Almost everywhere they're watching. They close the street. Look at it. So the people are everywhere watching the football game. Football is the life for them. Every corner they're watching that. The Medellin streets are full with people watching the football. Do we go this way now? Hold on. Gracias. Oh my God. That's why things happen. I guess I'm going to go there, be with them. I'm going to go watch game here. Look at those people are watching. Look at that, Colombia. Yes, I just saw James just get that goal.
Colombia no estuvo no podía ser alguien diferente. Seguimos. Voy a terminar la camisa del servicio. Arriba otra vez para Sagredo, levantando el centro, es peligroso el cabezazo de Veneno para sacar el tiro de esquina para Colombia. Pero necesita contundencia. Que la propone Lucho, que la finaliza.
There, people over here just enjoying their football. It's their own team is playing. It's their own field. It's in Barranquilla, close to Santa Marta. This place looks very, very good. So they don't have the TV, that's why people not here. Other than that, everywhere people. It is halftime now. That's why people are just walking around, eating, drinking, and smoking, and doing everything. This is Medellin. This is Pablo covers his place. I wanted to go some places, but people say no, it's dangerous. Bolaya ver. Tiene que ser Bolaya. That's why she dance on me. Drop down one to check. Oh. Good morning. Today is Friday, also the 7th day of my Colombian trip. I am on my way to Guatape. I'm taking a bus to go there, and then I'm flying out from Medellin area or Cilantro Valley or Copra Valley from there this evening. I had a little bad trip really, this one. I'll talk more about that because Colombia is still not the friendly tourist place. I am here at the Viero. There you go. Good morning from there. It's 6:30 in the morning. I am on my way to Guatape from Medellin. This is mostly the hotel, hostel, restaurant area. I see a lot of restaurants. It's over here. It's very, very vibrant city. I went out last night to see the Colombian Bolivia football game here. There were thousands and thousands of people were there in the plaza over there. They had a lot of bar, at least I'll say hundreds bar, and the street was closed. They're watching game on the big screen TV. After 20,000 or 21,000 steps yesterday with stealing my DJI camera, I was a little bit unhappy about it because I was eating and somebody snatched it from the table. That was really bad. I'm really upset about that because a lot of my videos in Medellin wasn't there, but they just steal it still. I didn't have good vibes about the Colombia. This was my 78th country, but I think I would say still this is the worst. People mentality still is the same way. But hey, that's how you learn. Mountains everywhere. Plus when you walk, it is also hilly area. You need little strength to get around, especially walking. Another park here. I'm taking a tour to Guatape from here. Bus leaves at 7 o'clock from here. This is the park. The reason I'm doing this again because I had a lot of pictures and video on my DJI camera, but somebody stole it last night while I was eating. There you go. This is the park. Okay. They don't take care of the people right. Okay. This, if you come to Medellin, don't take this tour bus. They treated me really bad. Yeah. People say come here at 7 o'clock. I brought the thing here. Somebody they said not this. I am really mad because they are not taking care of the people right. Okay. This is really worst way to take care of the visitors. The way they do it over here, because this is not the right way. So I am going to tell you, be careful when you come to this country. They treat you like you are foreigners and they treat you the way they want to treat you. So please be careful when you come to this country. The bus supposed to be here at 7 o'clock. Now it's almost 7:40. The tour bus company didn't bring the bus yet. Everybody else is over here. So it is really not good for US travelers. Wait on something when they promise and they don't deliver.
Wish me good luck.
I'm keeping my tone down now. I'm trying to relax it, but it is getting out of control at this moment.